Hey guys, I'm just messing around with my new Echo Dot from Amazon. It's pretty neat. Watch this. Hey Alexa, what's the weather like today? Alexa, how's the weather today?
In Sanger, there's a winter storm warning in effect until Tuesday, February 5th, 4 p.m. The current weather is 42 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 47 degrees and a low of 30 degrees.
Now, that took a while to answer, but she answered regardless. Okay, how about Alexa, can you play some jazz?
The station All Jazz, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, you could stop. Stop. Let me think of another question here, guys. This is a lot of fun. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Jimmy, take it away.
What is the most famous bee? Cardi B.
What? Alexa, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Weather alert for Sanger. There's a winter storm warning in effect until Tuesday, February 5th, 4 p.m. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Look for mostly sunny weather, with a high of 50 degrees and a low of 31 degrees.
So, not bad, guys. I'm having fun with this thing. Once you mention her name, she'll start talking, so be careful. Alexa, do you have a boyfriend?
I'm happily single.
So anyways, guys, if you like what you see here, I bought mine on Amazon. It was below 50 bucks. They had a sale on it. So anyways, if you want to check it out, go over there and buy it. Alexa, do you want to dance?
I love dancing. Ask me to play dance music, and we'll get the party started.
Alright guys, like and subscribe. See you later.